There's the head. It had a few dings since sprayed it, so I've just touched those up, giving it another light coat. This pepper white. Made this test piece, just a bit of old skirting board, and a couple of coats of pepper spray. That's the white pepper spray, and then I've done some what's supposed to be webbing, which is a little dark and a bit too busy, but it'll be fine for our test. And then a blue stripe, or if we have two different blues to choose from, two blue stripes, and we can see chemically that there's no reaction and everything's okay because they are different paints. But they're cellulose paints, I think, so that base coat must have some kind of cellulose base, and then this is enamel paint, and then we'll have cellulose on top, so I think we should be fine. And next week, when I get the blue sprays in the post, we'll try it and see what happens. Well, that brown staining is improving. It was affecting the 2 and it's a lot lighter there now, and I've just left a little bit in the middle of the 3 there to finish off, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to leave it at that at the moment because there is a real risk of the black starting to streak. There was some evidence of that with this cleaner, so I think I'm going to play on the safe side. I'm now preparing the cabinet for spraying. I've taken these off, these runners, and cleaned them up, both sides. I've put them back temporarily because when these metal pieces were originally made, the final sort of brass finish was, I'm pretty sure, sprayed over with a thin coat of clear spray. So that varnish, when you try to clean it up, disappears in places, so it all has to come off when you're cleaning. And that means that the shininess that has survived, you know, pretty well actually, it still looks like not a bad coating. You know, you can tell it's not the bare metal, but in shining it up, that's going to dull down very quickly in the future, and also it leaves it susceptible to corrosion. So these are on temporarily. I'll take them off again, spray them. I've just ordered some gloss clear lacquer, so that's the intention there. And the same here, these pieces will come off because they are pretty grimy, and you know, this is, the ball goes up here and that's very, very rough, and that potentially is scratching the ball, which then scratches the playfield, so that needs to all come off. And as you can see here, you know, there's a fair bit of cleaning to do. It's still a bit grisly in places, so all that lot's got to be sorted out. And this bar, both sides of that, again, that comes off, gets cleaned up and goes back, and then we're pretty much ready for final cleaning of the inside of the cabinet before the spray. Playfield's currently out on the bench, and it's going to be easier while that's out to wire back in the pop bumpers, so that's a job I'll be doing shortly. I need to clean the inserts while this is out, and it's basically just done. Just comes off easily. I won't be shining up all these brassy bits because, as I mentioned, if you do polish them up, you're losing any original coating that was there, and they will get dull very quickly and also be more susceptible to corrosion. So these won't look very different to how they look now.